The show command is extremely useful for monitoring and checking the configuration of your router. It's available in the user and exec modes, but is not available in the specific configuration modes. To display a list of arguments for the show command, simply type show ? At the prompt. As you can see, show lets you check a wide variety of configuration options. We'll look at a few of the more common show commands. The show interface command displays information about the status of the device and its interfaces. For example, we can see that the Ethernet interface is up or functioning. The serial interface, on the other hand, is administratively down, meaning that it has been taken offline. Typing show run, short for show running config, lets you see the configuration file the router is running right now. The show start command, on the other hand, displays the startup configuration file stored in NVRAM. The router uses this configuration when you turn it on, unless you specifically tell the router to use a different configuration. The show version command lets you check the hardware configuration and the version of the exec the router is running. It gives you a snapshot of how your router looks at the moment. A router can store several different iOS images in flash memory. If you want to check which images the router has stored and how much space is available, use the show flash command. You use different show commands to find out different information. For example, if we want to find the name of the iOS image the router is currently using, we use the show version command. On the other hand, if we wanted to check the names of all the iOS images saved in the router's NVRAM, we use the show flash command. It's important to know basic show commands and what information each one includes. Be sure you memorize the information shown here.